for this?
Is carbon monoxide harmful?
Yes, if breathed in, it can be very dangerous.
Yeah, I believe so.
What are the dangers of carbon monoxide poisoning?
You could have headaches, dizziness, or death.
What are the medical consequences of carbon monoxide poisoning?
Cerebral edema, which is the swelling of the brain, is, I think, a consequence of carbon monoxide poisoning.
Can you see carbon monoxide? No?
No.
Does carbon monoxide have a scent?
No. It's colorless, odorless, and flavorless.
How many people do you think in the U.S. are affected by carbon monoxide in a year?
An approximate answer?
Yes.
21,473.
In the United States, 20 to 30,000 people are poisoned by carbon monoxide a year.
Where is carbon monoxide found?
It's found from burning fossil fuels and cars and stuff. In the air?
It can be found in tobacco.
Like, if you look at...
It's found in car exhaust.
Common sources of carbon monoxide in homes also include fuel-burning devices such as furnaces, gas cooking stoves, water heaters, and fireplaces.
Can you buy carbon monoxide?
No, I don't think so.
No. Why would you want it?
Simple measures can be taken to prevent carbon monoxide problems. Make sure that all your fuel-burning appliances and heating devices are properly vented and maintained. Know the symptoms of carbon monoxide poisoning. Finally, to detect potential deadly conditions, install and maintain carbon monoxide alarms in your home.
How can carbon monoxide poisoning be prevented?
If people knew the dangers of carbon monoxide poisoning, then many lives would be saved.
Don't leave your car in the garage with the doors shut.
Don't grill inside, grill outside.
Oh, and also, generators, don't run them
Generators,
inside.
don't run them inside, run them outside.
My mom runs inside sometimes.
Wait.